Hello everybody, it is a beautiful Monday. You guys missed the before sunrise shot while we were getting this guy out and prepped. It is a brisk 18 degrees out, low of 8. It's supposed to get to a high of 30, but not by 3 o'clock, so it's going to be a little chilly one today. We are taking our 2100 series Vactor, and we are going to be hydro excavating a leaking water line in a mobile home park today for a local contractor, a buddy of ours. So yeah, we got the truck set up, got full tanks of water on, got the recirculation system running so we don't show up with a big, very expensive popsicle, and we're gonna hit the road. Well, we don't have to worry about putting out cones today since we are officially in somebody's yard and off the road. So I'll show you what we're doing here today. Contractor got the steps moved out of the way. You want to be in my Facebook video?
Yeah.
So this is what we're fixing. You can see this valve leaking right here. That's the water feeding this house. And we're going to dig down so they can crimp that line off and replace that valve. So get at her. Well, we got it dug out. My main man Cody was our boom operator today. We can turn you around and show you what we've exposed down in here. So this unit doesn't have a water shut off at the curb. So in order to replace that leaking valve, you can see right there, it's leaking its little heart out. In order to replace that, this contractor's actually got to get down to the main water line, which is that black line that you're seeing there, and he's actually got to crimp that off so that they can take this valve off without this system being under pressure. Now, needless to say, you had to dig this by hand. This clay is about as sticky as 28-year-old Play-Doh that mixed with silly putty and was put in an oven at 180 degrees. So it would not have been a very pleasurable hand dig. So yeah, I think we're done here. It's a beautiful day out here in Ohio. A little snowy, but the ground's frozen. Allows us to get access to a lot of places we couldn't normally get to. So I'm gonna get the all clear on that hole, and then we'll start reeling up, loading up, and on in the net. Thanks for watching, guys.